Hi there, I'm Marcie Billen, and I've got a virtual open house to show you today. I want to showcase what you can get for way under $350,000 in Oklahoma. So we're in Moore, Oklahoma. This is a great location to get to Oklahoma City if that's where you need to work. This location is just off of Eastern. It's on 6th Street in Moore. You can find more information about this house in the link in the description. Okay, like I said, my name is Marcie Billen. I am a real estate agent here in Oklahoma with Rudy Team Realty and Keller Williams Mulinix. So welcome to our channel. All right, this house is nearly brand new. So let's take a look, see what you think, and I'm gonna just show you around, show you the layout of this house and all the cool features that it has. So this is the outside of the house. We're gonna turn around here. This is actually looking out the front door. So this would be your view if you lived in this house and you stepped out your front door or your garage. All right, so turning around here. So what are we looking at? We're looking at the street Eastern. So you're sitting back a good ways off the road and you have easy access to a lot of shopping. So you really don't have to go very far to do any of that. Okay, here's the front of this gorgeous house. And I was about to say little, but it's not little at all. It's just over 2,800 square feet. The front door to this house, as you walk in, has this great little tile mosaic on the floor. So you'll be able to see that. The house itself, the seller, it was very important to him that he had a very traditional, elegant house. So that's exactly what describes this entire thing. This house is absolutely elegant, traditional. So what you're looking at here on the floor, so these floors are real wood floors, and the woodwork is all done in cinnamon and obviously has some really, really great features that we don't get in a lot of new houses. So what is the layout of this house like? So you can see we have a see-through fireplace ahead of us. So this room right here that we're currently standing in is the formal living room if you want it to be. There are also two other great living spaces in this area. So fireplaces, see-through, obviously no walls around it. And then back behind here, the seller currently has a pool table. And then going in the very back is the sunroom. Now, this is my favorite room in this house, and it's also the seller's favorite room in this house. Oklahoma has very harsh seasons, right? So the feeling of being outside is what you get in this room without having to brave the wind when there's wind, which is a lot, the hot weather or the cold weather. Okay, so you can see he's got quite two big couches in here. This is a big room. And the thing about this too, and you'll be able to see this when we go outside, it does take up a lot of the backyard. This backyard in this house is really small. Not gonna lie about that. All right, walking back, here's the pool table again. We're gonna go into the kitchen and the dining room. So you can see how the kitchen's open to these two living rooms. And then we have this really spacious dining room. Like he has a 6-seater table right here and it fits perfectly. Okay, we're gonna head into the kitchen. All right. Nice wine rack above there. Look at this detail in the woodwork. And then, of course, a pantry. Detail above that as well. The sink looks out over the back patio. We do have a gas oven and stove, a gas range, and then the microwave above it. These are beautiful, brand new stainless appliances. And this great little area so that you can be a part of your gathering whenever you have them, that people are hanging out in your dining room and your living rooms as well. Okay, so let's show you the bedrooms. So how does this house work? Well, the layout of this house is a split floor plan. So I'm gonna go into the hall bedrooms first, just real quick. So this is the bedroom at the front of the house. Right now, the seller is using it as a gym. So you can see all the equipment he has in here. And then you can see the beam and how high the ceilings are. It's a great room. Another thing, let me show you really quick. So if you look in the description, I have the link to this Matterport. So this is a 3D showing of this house. I'm taking you through it on video. But if you click on the actual link, you can actually measure so I can measure the walls. So let's get a good wall here. So if you click here in the corner and then bring it over. Like I'm not exactly square. You can kind of see where I'm at. And it's set in meters right now, but you can set it, I believe, on not the metric system if you'd like. So you can see it's 4.29 meters in this room. So just showing you what you can do with this 3D showing if you would like to click on that in the description below. All right, so I'm getting rid of that. We're gonna turn around here. I'll show you the bathroom in this hallway. Okay, so lots of storage here above the toilet, great vanity, lots of space in here. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff to cover, so I don't want to spend too long. Here's what he has set up as a guest bedroom right now. Great space, huge space. You can see by all the furniture that's in the room that the space is a nice size. And a little bit lower ceiling in this room. Let me see if we can turn around here and see the closet. So here's where the closet is. In the other room, it's in the same spot. And it is a nice deep closet. Okay. Back to the front door. That's the front door. So next I'm going to show you the owner's suite. All right, so walking forward, here's the entrance to the owner's suite. This door right here is actually the laundry room. And then this door right here is to the garage. Okay, here's the owner's suite. So beautiful tray ceiling with crown molding. This bed is huge. This room is huge. And if you need more space, there's a little sitting area in this room as well. So it's set back a little bit. Obviously, you have a chaise lounge here. You can put whatever you want. Maybe a desk. Maybe this is where you work out. Who knows? All right, let's go into the owner's bathroom. All right, first thing I'm going to show you is this closet. Seasonal racks, meaning 3, right? And then you can see how it goes all the way back here. Great shelving for all of your shoes or whatever you need to put there as well. Okay, double vanities with a makeup counter. And we're going to show you the shower here. So the shower is a walk in and turn shower, so no glass for you to clean. Okay. Nice spot, great spot to prop your leg up to shave your legs there. This shower is nice and roomy, and like I said, really easy to clean out. There's no glass. All right. The study area. So he has this set up on a little hallway, and this is where the guest bath or the powder bath is. So tiny, but absolutely functional. So your guests don't have to go into any of your living spaces to use the restroom. Great area right here, of course, for showcasing things if you would like to do that, and a lot of storage. This is how he has the study set up right now. This is, of course, though, a bedroom. It does have a really nice closet right here. So that's the end of our virtual open house for this great house off of Eastern in Moore, Oklahoma. If you have questions, my information is in the description below, and then also the link to the full listing for the house. Thanks so much for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.